¿Qué onda, tío? Man, tío rolling hard. ¿Qué onda, tío? I changed out the speakers and the kick panel and the subs. Levántale, güey. Allá de acá detrás, güey. Right there.
¿Aquí?
Mete la mano, Valdo, no tengas miedo, güey.
No, nada.
Ahí está, güey, dale.
Chingado.
Right here. Pick this up. Levántale ya. Stop, primo. Well, we're gonna change out his speakers because it sounds like cardboard. He has some DB drives in there. We gotta change out to some JL. Hey, Romero, found the brush para que te bañes, güey. We have to try to take out this box. ¿Está ahí conectado ahí, no?
The plug connectors. The plug connectors.
Cut it off. Córtale, hijo. I feel like we're at a disco in here. Got all this lighting.
Yeah.
And it has some red lights. Got that bright ass light up there. Romero, ven a agarrar esta box de este lado, güey. Ayúdale ahí, Evaldo.
Aquí, vente aquí. Espérate aquí.
Watch it, guys. That's precious material, the force.
Precious cargo.
Where do we put it at?
Yeah, that's fine. Beep, 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 beep. So I'm gonna try to be replacing these with these. Test fit this box real quick. What's that? It's good. We could just slide the seat forward a little bit.
No, no. Bueno, para que no te...
Go ahead and slide it forward. I think that's good. That's good space para que no vaya a pegar la speaker en el seat. Alright. Let's take it out, boy.
Está bien.
Hey, watch out, boy. Ni estaba atornillada like this one. Mira.
Todo cartoneaba.
Yeah. So these holes are cut wrong, so that's probably why they sounded bad. Bad box. I'm not even gonna mess with this box anymore. Nope. So I'm gonna have to make the hole a little bit bigger and then notch it right here and right here. It should be good. Right, so before you get started cutting something, make sure you put some safety glasses on. You want to look like a scientist when you're doing this, so safer for you, your eyes, and you don't gotta be going like this when the dust gets you in the face, so you're safe. Then what I'm gonna use to cut is this jigsaw. They're cheap. You can buy them at Home Depot for 30 bucks, something like that. Make sure it's off before you connect it. You don't want to get your fingers cut up. Just playing. Let's do this. Now this part's gonna be hard because the jigsaw can't really sit in the groove there. So I'm gonna have to have it elevated a little bit. Same thing here. This should be easy. When you're done, you should have a nice little, nah, this ain't nice. See that? That's why you gotta wear this. Look at all this dust. Alright, the hole's pretty good. So just gotta notch this here and here, and it should be good to go. So for this part, I'm using my Dremel. I forgot what kind of bit this is. So finally, I'm done cutting these holes. Hey, now, get out of my frame, bro. All right, now that Ramiro is out the way, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done cutting the holes. I notched it here. Can't really tell that much. The cuts weren't that perfect, but it worked. And speaker fits.
What up, guys? I didn't go to jail.
That's it.
What up, man?
Va a salir eso de que dices que you didn't go to jail.
My bad.
So that's Big Max. He said he didn't go to jail. Woo! He got pulled over right now because they say he was driving a suspicious vehicle, which, I mean, it's all black, has black wheels. Yeah, he's kind of suspicious. Put some underbed coating on here, so it can look similar to a bed liner.
Man, bro.
What
up, dude? Shoot, ready for the weekend, man. We're gonna make some this weekend.
Crawfish?
Vamos, okay. Vamos.
Matter of fact, man, Friday afternoon, man. I'm down.
Nah, today. Today is Tuesday afternoon.
Shoot.
I'm about to take the seat off because whoever installed his speakers used like this really thin wire, and it's like remote wire, and the amp's deep under there, so I gotta remove the seat.
Hey, what's up, Ham? You jamming out, guys? Hey, man.
Dale fuerza, coño.
got you, brother. I got you, brother.
Got him.
I won't let you go.
What is?
A ver, Jaime. Ahí está el tornillo abajo.
Yeah.
¿Tornillo de qué?
Del seat.
Shoot, that little box is good, man.
Yeah. Scoot it more this way, Bolo.
Put the hat arriba, brother.
Como que quiere más para atrás, ¿no? You already got the tornillos that's down there? Está bien.
Took something nasty.
We gotta do now, just connect them and try them out.
I was gonna say
And get ready for some bang. Hey, watch out, boy. So if y'all heard earlier that Max say he didn't go to jail, it's because he was driving the big body, the murdered out Expo. Big Max.
He said,
So what happened?
Here's some of the scenes from earlier.
You see the cop. ¿Qué no haciendo Big Max?
No, I was just getting out of work, man, and just out of nowhere, I was like, man, well, let me stop and get something to drink, man. I'm thirsty. Y luego que me voy metiendo a la gas station, right? And then, pues, this other guy who's parked next to me, he had a murdered out Tahoe too, right? And whenever I came out with my drink, he came out at the same time too. So we both pulled off together, at the same time, you know. And then, no, de repente the cop, he was pulling in as we were pulling out, so he came and pulled me over and let the other guy go. Because he supposedly said that the reason he pulled me over was because there's a lot of suspicious activity going on, a lot of drug dealing and stuff out there. And so whenever he pulled me over, you know, he asked me what was I doing with their Tahoe. I was like, I don't even know the guy, you know. And he was like, yeah, you should know the guy because, you know, y'all pulled off as soon as y'all saw me come in. You know, the police said that, or the cop. And so I was like, oh, okay, man, well, so you want to check my car and stuff? And he's like, nah, if I want to check the car, you know, I'll get a warrant and stuff. I was like, nah, man, you can go ahead and check it out. You won't find nothing.
Yeah, Expo. I mean, you do look suspicious. You're wearing
Really?
all black, like you're gonna go rob somebody.
Shoot, man.
Then it's all black on
Murdered
black.
out, tent, murdered out wheels, everything, man. So anyways, yeah, he got my license and my insurance and stuff, you know. He checked everything out, man. Everything checked out.
Let me
you
see
know?
some ID.
Hey, man.
Let me see some ID.
Well, anyway, so yeah, so he gave back my license and stuff. He said that I was clean, I was good. And he just let me go, but point of the story, man, you know, you just gotta watch out where you go and stuff, you know, because it can be confusing people, man.
Yeah. Well, at least you ain't in jail, man.
Yeah, I know, right?
Ain't nobody trying to go to no bail bonds right now. So that's it for today. Tired, time to go eat. Probably get some more tortas. We don't know. So thanks for watching.